Welcome. In this video, I will review top security and privacy settings available on your HONOR X7d. And the first security feature on this phone I want to show you is called the AppLock. It's available on many different phones, but it's really cool that this phone also supports it. To access it, you have to go to settings on your phone and search for the AppLock. And once you find it, open it. And once you open it, you can select the applications which you don't want other people to have access to, and just by switching the toggle next to them, you can encrypt them with either your fingerprint or Face ID or the screen lock. The next security feature is fingerprint and face recognition, which you can access in your settings in either biometrics and password or security and privacy menu. Let's go to biometrics and password, and as you can see, this phone both supports fingerprint ID. Here is the fingerprint scanner. It's very convenient to use, and face recognition. The next feature I want to tell you about is the System Manager application, which you can find on your apps list. And using this application, you can optimize your system in one click, check if there is any viruses, extend your battery life, clean up your storage, identify and block spam contacts, and also update your apps if you want to. You can also access this feature if you press the side button on the left edge of your device and select Cleanup. So basically you can clean up your phone in just one tap, or maybe two taps. Now the next feature is the Permission Manager, which you can also access in settings. If you go to apps, then go to Permission Manager, and using this simple feature you can revoke permissions from applications. If, for example, if you don't want some applications to use your camera, you just have to tap on camera and you'll be able to see the list of all devices that have access to your all applications that have access to your camera, and easily revoke this permission by tapping on the application and selecting Don't Allow. The next thing is the Find My Phone feature, which is located in security and privacy menu in your settings. If you scroll down to device finders, you'll be able to enable Find Hub service, which will allow you to control your device remotely, and also will protect it from protect your account and your data in case your device is stolen. And the last feature is the Encrypted backup, which is available in settings, in system and update, backup and restore. In data backup, you have the native feature on this phone, which you can use to back up your files to external storages, and you can also back your files up to Google using this feature. Just switch the toggle to the right, and then select an account which you want to use for backup, and tap Turn On, and all of your data will be backed up to Google. And that's basically all the features for today. I hope that this video was interesting for you, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.